So good afternoon. This is Ramnathan from Energeia Microgrid Private Limited. So we are basically the Expo company, energy service company, and we are dealing with industrial and commercial customers to reduce the energy cost of the utilities. So we will not only selling the energy audits. So it will we will provide you the detailed customized energy solutions for each and every customers based upon the requirement of energy savings purpose. So we will provide you with the initial assessment of the audit, and after that we will go for the detailed audit, and after that the project execution will be done to quantify the savings in your book. So to quantify the savings, how we will do, like we will we are, as we are the ESCO, we are providing you with ESCO projects also. So what is ESCO? It will so from the customer point of view, the finance part approval is the crucial part. So we will do all the investment from our end. So Energy will take care of the investments, and from customer zero investment, we will execute all the project execution to end-to-end solution. Even if any equipments need to be replaced, that also we can be done in the package. So we have IoT cloud-based energy monitoring system with us. So you can monitor 24/7 the energy savings in your plant and utilities, and it is totally customizable and based upon the requirement of whatever the parameters you need to be monitored. And this end-to-end solution will comes includes all this IoT and everything. So we have flow meters, ultrasonic meters, energy meters, and everything. So thermography, you can use here compressed air audit, thermography, and chillers for everything. So after that, the ESCO contract, we will provide you the different solutions. Then even after the ESCO contract, we will offer you the whatever the assets we have provided to you for free of cost. So this is the one vertical we are doing, energy efficiency. And second thing is fuel switching solutions, that we are the dual fuel solutions providing for the DG sets. So recently the Pollution Control Board has released a GO need to be installed any pollution control device, emission control device for the DG sets, gensets. So we are providing you with the dual fuel solution, the partial gas conversion of diesel to gas, and we are the OEM of the dual fuel solution, and we have the manufacturing facility at Haryana, Panipat, Haryana. So almost 900 plus installations we have already installed all over India. So these are the two verticals we are. CII helps us a lot to have the interaction with the customers and our side. So it's I would see this is the best platform to have the interaction and meet the customers and to grow the support and everything. Thank you.